Hello everyone, welcome to all. We are reading our lesson fourth from Bihai book. Lesson fourth name is A Truly Beautiful Mind. This is an extract of autobiography of Albert Einstein. So you know very well about Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a famous scientist. He was a famous scientist. Yes, he was from German. But what happened in his life, so we are going no more about him. So he born, and when he was born, so there was a not special indications in him that he will be a successful, he will be a famous person in the world. But later he became famous. So on the other hand, her mother was saying him prick. उसकी मम्मा कहती थी कि ये मेरा बेटा जो है ये तो निकम्मा है. And on the other hand, a teacher, headmaster, told his parents, his father, that your son is not going to be a successful person. Your son is not going to be a specialist in any field. So it is not matter which subject he is teaching, which field he is going to you do. So it was told by his father. Mean to say, in the beginning there was no indications in him that he will be a great personality, he will be a scientist. No, there was no indications. Later, what happened? On the other hand, when he was 2.5 years old, when he was 2.5 years old, he was not able to speak. When he was 2 and 5 years old, that time he started speaking. And when he was speaking the words, he was speaking anything, so he was repeating. He was speaking the words twice. He was speaking the word space. And with that, he was speaking the word space. He was speaking the words again and again. So that's why it was not also good. Okay. So next thing, what happened there? When he was 6 years old, before that 6 years old, when he was 15 months old, his parents moved yes, you Zurich from Ulm. उसके मम्मी पापा जो थे वो उल्म से, क्योंकि वो उल्म में पैदा हुआ था, तो उल्म से वो ज्यूरिक चले जाते हैं. वहां पे वो ज्यूरिक में जब वो 6 साल का होता है तो उसके मम्मी पापा उसे गिटार यानी कि वायलिन बजाना शुरू करवा देते हैं कि भाई तुम वायलिन बजाओ, नो प्रॉब्लम. क्योंकि कहा गया था कि भाई तुम्हारा बच्चा कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, तो उसे वायलिन ला के थमा दिया जाता है, तो वायलिन बजाना शुरू कर लेता है. तो वायलिन वो लास्ट तक भी बजाता रहा. आगे फिर वो जब स्कूल में एडमिशन हुआ, तो स्कूल में एडमिशन होता है, ज्यूरिक के स्कूल में वो एडमिशन ले रहा था. उस स्कूल में वो बिल्कुल भी ही वाज नॉट फीलिंग वेल इन दैट स्कूल, Zurich, because the teachers were giving him work, and when he was going to ask some questions from the teachers were unable to respond him. So that's why he was feeling more typical there. He was not feeling comfortable there in that school, and he wanted to leave that school. And on the other hand, had quarrel. He was arguments with the teachers also. So that's why he want to leave the school. And when he was 15 years old, he left that school. And when he left that school, he was happy. He was very happy. So now we are going ahead in this video. We are going ahead in this lesson. So what happened next in the video? Let's start this one also. Previous year, Albert's parents had moved to Milan and left their son with relatives. So what happened? पहले वो कहाँ से उल्म से ज्यूरिक पहुंचे. अब उसके जो पेरेंट्स थे ज्यूरिक से मिलान चले गए. यस. और उसके उसको एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन को वहीं पे ज्यूरिक ने ही पेरेंट्स के साथ या रिलेटिव्स के साथ छोड़ दिया. After prolonged discussion, Einstein got his wish to continue his education in German-speaking Switzerland and in a city which was more liberal than Munich. So after more discussion, after a long discussion, Einstein got his wish, and his wish was that he wanted to continue his education in a German-speaking school. So that's why he got admission in a German-speaking school, and that was his wish, and his wish was completed. And that school was more liberal than Munich. He got admission in Switzerland. And that in Switzerland, when he was there, that school was more liberal than Munich. That school was more comfortable than Munich. So now in the picture you can see there are two photographs given of Albert Einstein. So, and in the one photograph in his young age, and another photograph that photograph in his old age. So what is the difference? This is the one photograph young age, and another photograph is old age. So this is the difference. But what is the similarity in those both? Yes, you they had the both they both had the same mustache. They both had the style of the mustache is same. So this is the similarity in the both picture. So what is there? Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics and interested in physics, and after finishing school, he decided to study at a university in Zurich. So, yes, Einstein was a good student. He was good in mathematics. He was interested in physics also. Yes, and after finishing school, when he finished his school, he decided to join university. And in which university he went there? He went in a Zurich University. He got admission there. But science was not only thing that appealed to dashing young man. Just only science. He was not interested in science only. Yes, you and that boy with the walrus mustache. He was not interested only in science. No. So in what he was interested? Let's see. So this is a photograph. They both are husband and wife. This is a yes, you in this picture. That man that is yes, you male that is Albert Einstein, and there is a lady that is Mileva Marek. So what is this? So Albert Einstein was interested in what? He was interested in mathematics. He was interested in physics. So he was not only interested in science. No, he was interested in something else. So what was that? He also felt a special interest in a fellow student. So he was interested in a student also. He was interested in a classmate. So what was the name of that classmate? That classmate name was Mileva Merrick. So he was interested in Mileva Merrick also. Yes, he was interested in science, and he was interested in a girl. The name of that girl is Mileva Merrick, whom he found to be a clever creature. And that girl was a clever creature. That girl was an intelligent one. The young Serb had come to Switzerland because the university in Zurich, which was one of the few in Europe where women could get degrees. So that girl came from Serbia, and she came uh, she came from Serbia to Switzerland. Why? Because she wanted to take admission in Zurich University. Why for? Because Zurich University was one university in which women, yeah, in which girls can complete her degree. So that's why she came there to complete her education. So she came there to get degrees. So Einstein saw Einstein saw in her an ally against the Philistine. Those people in his family and at the university with whom he was constantly at odds. So Einstein saw in her an ally. So Einstein saw in her in Mileva Merrick a friend. And after that, yes, she was not interested in music. She was not, sorry. Albert Einstein was not interested in art, literature, and music. After that, she liked the girl, and her parents also did not like this one whole thing. So the couple fell in love. They both were loving to each other. Who were they? They are Mileva Merrick and Albert Einstein. Letters survive in which they put their affection in words. Yes, letters. And the letters, when they were putting letters to each other, Mileva Merrick to Albert Einstein, Albert Einstein to Mileva Merrick. So these letters, when they came into existence, the letters were read by the people. What was written in the letters, yeah, so Albert Einstein wrote once in a letter what? How happy and proud I shall be when we both have brought our work on relativity to a victorious conclusion. So he wrote to Mileva Merrick. Albert Einstein wrote to Mileva Merrick what? How happy and proud I shall be. So मुझे कितनी खुशी होगी, मुझे कितना गर्व होगा कि जब हम दोनों रिलेटिविटी के रिलेटिविटी की जो हमारा थ्योरी है उसके ऊपर हम दोनों काम करेंगे और उससे हमें फिर जीत मिलेगी। वो जो उस टाइम वो पल मेरे लिए कितना गर्व का पल होगा। In 1900, at the age of 21, Albert Einstein was a university graduate and employed. In 1921, sorry, in 1900, when he was 21 years old, time he completed his education. That time he completed his graduation. So after completing her graduation, he was unemployed. He did not have any work. So he worked as a teaching assistant. So he was helping a teacher to teach the students, and he was giving tuition classes also. And finally, in 1902, he got a job, and he got a job of a technical expert. And where he got the job? In a patent office in Bern. And where was the patent office? That patent office was in Bern. While he was supposed to be assessing other people's inventions, so in the patent office, when he was watching, when he was seeing, when he was going through, when he was assessing the inventions of the other people, he was doing something else. He was doing his own inventions. वो खुद की अपनी भी खोज कर रहा था. Einstein was actually developing his own idea in secret. He said to have kind of jokingly called his desk drawer at work the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. So there was a table, and that table there was a drawer. In that drawer he put his secret papers. So and he called that drawer Bureau of Theoretical Physics. One of the famous papers of 1905 was Einstein's special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. Indeed, two perfectly accurate clocks will not continue to show the same time. If they come together again after a journey of if one of them has been moving very fast relative to the other. So from this followed the world's most famous formula, which described the relationship between mass and energy. So what was that formula? E is equal to mc square. In the mathematical equation, E stands for energy, m for mass, and c for the speed of the light in vacuum. So one of the famous paper 1905, he published a paper, and the paper was special theory of relativity. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट पेपर क्या लिखा गया कि भाई टाइम जो होता है वो हमेशा एक जैसा नहीं होता है. सो टाइम एंड स्पीड एक जैसी नहीं होती है. तो उसने फिर एग्जाम्पल भी दिया कि भाई जो टू क्लॉक्स होती हैं उनका टाइम बिल्कुल कभी भी एक जैसा नहीं होगा, भले ही वो घूमती रहे हम उनको एडजस्ट भी कर लें. आफ्टर दैट वी कैन नॉट पुट दिस टू क्लॉक्स ऑन द सेम टाइम. So there will be yes you difference with 1 or 2 seconds. And yes he published a formula also, and that formula is written here. So in this video up to here, in the next video we will complete the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.